Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate a desktop app which is a file separator. I'll share my GitHub link of this project so you can find the source code of this project. If you go inside, you can see in this folder there are many files like PNG file, doc file, text file. When we run this app, it will separate all the files according to their file extension. So run this project now. First we need to give the folder path. So we want to give this folder, select folder, click separate. So it's separated total 31. Now we see the folder, text folder. In text folder we have two folders now. One images, all the images are in this folder, and in doc folder all the docs files are in this folder, and in code mainly there are two Python files. Windows.py is basically for Windows graphical user interface. You can see all the text, user layer, and separator.py. In this file we create a folder first and move the files to that folder. We also need to check the extension of all the files like image, all the extensions of image, docs, and also video files. After checking all the files, we move files to that folder accordingly. And that was a quick demonstration. If you found this helpful, please give a like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.